Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name's John. Today this video I'm going to show you how we pulled that 6.3 out of the woods and got it back home. And remember, please hit subscribe and comment below and hit the like button. And also you can find us on Facebook under Mercedes Maintenance and also the other group Mercedes Rescue. So without further ado, let's get going.
Alright, we're on the road now. I've got the trailer behind me, I've got my buddy behind me, Will. Just going to check out, see how bad this road is. This is just the early stages of it, fairly easily accessible. Hopefully the sun has had time to dry a lot of the road out under the real shady parts, so we'll just see. So, is it filming?
Not yet. No, we're on. Yeah, we're on. I'm just fucking with you. Yeah, it's good.
Are you filming?
Yeah, it is. All right, here we are.
Okay, you got to introduce yourself, Will. This is
Cameraman Willie.
Will's here to help me rescue these cars today. Road wasn't as bad as we thought, and the brakes work on this, which is going to make it hopefully easier to tow. Yeah, it shouldn't go back too far. See, that's not too bad. So the blocks are holding it.
Yeah, you can see it sitting about twice as low on the wheel than the front.
Yeah, I mean,
it's to the rim on the backside.
It should be up around here, but this is enough to move it. So
you have it blocked under there right now?
Yeah, there's blocks under there.
Very nice.
Okay, right, so our plan is tow this one out up the hill, and the brakes are operating and they are releasing, so that will be good. So it won't run away. Oh, look at that. Thumbs up from Will. It won't run away from itself, and we can get it on the trailer, and I've got another idea of how to get it on the trailer. So let's go for it. All right, off we go. Oh, it's pulling. Doing pretty good still, scraping a little bit on the exhaust, trying to ride on the high spot. Okay, we're nearly at the van now. I'm holding the brakes. It's the last final hill to the van. And we're going to try and position the car so we could drag the sucker on now. Okay, towed out, no problem, no slipping.
Look at that, happy as a lark.
Yeah, there you go. So we grounded out a bit on the floor, and save tugging it back and forth, we're going to just jack the car up and then use a Cumberland. This was just Will's idea, actually, amazing idea.
Just to drive it up onto the ramp. The suspension in here, it's kind of hard to see with the shadows. And we're gonna pump some air in the lines and see if we can get the frame clear. Oh yeah, super slow, but I see it.
Super slow. It's filling the system up.
Yeah. Going in.
Got super easy.
Did it?
Yeah, I think we're about to the point where we can just push it up.
Okay. Let me just check around. We had an airbag blow. Big explosion this side, so I turned the compressor off because that wasn't doing anything. I'm going to turn it a little left, Will, because it's okay, keep coming and I'll
Okay.
How's that doing, all right?
That's fine.
Right, we're on. We had an airbag, I believe blew out on the right side here as I was pumping up, so I just gave up on the compressor. Not a big deal because we've got wood under there, wooden blocks lifting it. It did ground out on the floor a little bit, but I think it just scraped some of the bitumen off. It wasn't like, I think it might have dented it a bit, but didn't damage the floor. So, congratulations, Will.
Well, job well done.
Job well done. We're just going to strap it down, and Will's gone back to get the jack. We're all loaded up, all strapped on. Actually, wasn't too bad at all. The only spooky bit was coming down the bumpy road and making sure you didn't ground out or anything, but what's that thing? Just tied the huh, noticed that before. Oh, some kind of extra beam. I don't know whether that's normally on the 6.3. I don't recognise that. I tied the exhaust up just so the hangers all rotted off, so anyway, that sounds like Will coming back. Oh, there he is. Okay. Did you get a good one?
Beautiful Sunday, isn't it?
It is. Did you get a good fan? Oh look, me filming, you filming, me filming.
It's like being John Malkovich, but in real life.
There you
Ever
go.
seen that movie?
Yeah,
It's
it was good.
yeah, I got a good fan.
Cool. I'm all strapped off. I just got to put the ramps up and then we can start rolling. All right. Well, it went very good today. Here's my old 6-cylinder, my 280. Got my space all cleaned out. That's a bunch of furniture there for some customers once this COVID thing dies down a bit. You know, she works in the nursing field, so I don't want to risk getting that to her. So anyway, that's fine there. But I'm going to put the 6.3 on these dollies so I can shove it right against the wall. I put my bike over there, so it gives me plenty of space to still store the other car. And here she is, home safe and sound. As I said on my photo post, we bottomed out a little bit part way on the trailer. Around here, our angle was a little steep. We actually rolled it down the hill, and I was in there under, you know, just rolled it down, and it rolled most of the way on the trailer without any help, you know. I'm not going to bring it in yet because I want to take the fuel tank off, take the fuel tank out, and get that cleaned out because there's still a residual smell of that horrible gas smell. I don't want that in the garage and into the house. So, and it looks like this one has a tow hitch. Someone had put a tow hitch, and it might even be a factory one because this is bolted through, and there's the receiving bolts here for a tow hitch, which is kind of different. Neither of my other cars have that, so I'm going to give this a good wash today. I think it's Easter, and give me something nice to do. So like I say, it went all really well today. Oh. Nice to have it here finally. I'll try and operate the power windows because the driver's window is down slightly. I don't want any more water getting in there. So there you go. Okay, so that went pretty well. It's safe and sound now, back at home. Well, I hope you enjoyed the episode today, and I will see you next time. Thanks a lot.